हेलो एवरीवन। आज मैं आपके साथ क्रिटिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ आईसीटी के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स शेयर कर रही हूँ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू द यूजेस ऑफ आईसीटी। एक आईसीटी का सबसे कॉमन यूज़ होता है जैसे ई लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म से, जैसे कि अभी आप यूट्यूब से पढ़ रहे हैं। सेकेंडली हो गया आपका जैसे डिजिटल लाइब्रेरीज हुए, रिसोर्सेज हुए, जैसे मोबाइल लर्निंग हुआ। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है डिजिटल डिवाइड पे। डिजिटल डिवाइड किस लिए होता है कि बहुत सारे लोगों के पास इक्वल एक्सेस होता है रिसोर्सेज का, जैसे कि टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करने का बहुत जिनके पास नहीं होता है, वो जो गैप है उसी गैप को डिजिटल डिवाइड बोलते हैं। थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज गिव एनी टू स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल्स फॉर द यूज ऑफ एमएस एक्सेस इन स्कूल एजुकेशन। Schools can use access to maintain extracurricular activity management first. Secondly, it can be used to keep student database management. That is to maintain personal details, academic records, attendance, etc. of students. Fourth question is mention any two search engines commonly used to find educational resources through internet. तो first है Google, second है Mozilla Firefox, third आप Bing भी ऐड कर सकते हैं जो कि academic searches के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा helpful है। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट इज़ मेंट बाय मोबाइल लर्निंग। जैसे कि आप मोबाइल से अभी यूट्यूब के वीडियोस देख के भी पढ़ रहे हैं, और आप इसको आसान वर्ड्स में ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, इट इज़ अ न्यू वे टू एक्सेस लर्निंग कंटेंट यूजिंग मोबाइल डिवाइसेस। Next question is related to what do you mean by message currency. So message currency is a concept in communication that refers to the value of a message to the recipient. That is, the value of the message itself is known as the currency of the message. Now starting with the 5 marks question, write about the functions of IT at the rate school project. So IT at the rate school project was a program or project started by government of Kerala. It basically helps or acts as an advisor to the government and private sector for improving education quality through the use of ICT. Moreover, it shows that there is a free software alternative to each and every computer application that we use, that average user uses on a daily basis. Next question is related to MOOC's massive open online courses. First point is it has a global reach. It allows learners from different countries and backgrounds to interact and learn together. Secondly, it can cater to a large mass. Third, learners can learn at their own pace. It is a useful mode of learning even in remote areas also. It is open for anyone with internet access, regardless of any geographic location. Next question is related to MS Excel. So MS Excel is a spreadsheet software. It has cells and worksheets. We can use formulas and different functions to perform calculations out there. Users can also create visual representations of data using charts and graphs such as bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, etc. Can be shared with other people and multiple users, and they can collaborate at the same document simultaneously using features like co-authoring and sharing links. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ब्रीफली डिस्कस द डिजिटल एज स्किल्स. सो सिंपल वर्ड्स में अगर बोलूँ तो ये है कि ये एक इंसान की एबिलिटी है जिससे वो कि डिफरेंट टूल्स, ऑनलाइन टूल्स को ईजिली नेविगेट कर सके और उसको यूज़ कर सके. जैसे कि इंफॉर्मेशन लिटरेसी, अब एक इंसान है वो क्रिटिकली इवेलुएट करके रिसोर्सेज से माध्यम से एकदम राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन खोज के निकाल सके, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सके, क्रिएटिविटी यूज़ कर सके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हैप्टिक टेक्नोलॉजी, विच इज़ the technology that provides tactile feedbacks to the user through touch and force. जैसे कि tactile feedback जो कि vibrations, forces और motions को use करते हैं to stimulate sense of touch. Moreover, VR and AR, virtual reality and augmented reality, which enhances immersion by allowing users to feel virtual objects and interactions more realistically. For example, users can feel the texture of surfaces, the impact of collisions, and weights of virtual objects. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एक्सप्लेन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ आईपी एड्रेस एंड डोमेन नेम. तो आईपी एड्रेस क्या है? एक यूनिक न्यूमेरिकल लेबल है जो कि हर एक डिवाइस को जो कनेक्टेड होता है कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क के साथ, और वो इंटरनेट के प्रोटोकॉल यूज़ करता है कम्युनिकेशन के लिए. देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ आईपी एड्रेस, एक आईपी कैपिटल वी स्मॉल लेटर और 4, दैट इज 32 बिट, एंड एक दूसरा है आईपी कैपिटल V6 128 बिट. So IPv4 address is the most common and are typically expressed in the format XXX.XXX.XXX. where triple X represents a number between 0 and 2555. Domain name or domain address is human readable label used to identify a specific location on the internet. For example, a domain name ends with .com. Instagram can be an example. It has an interactive content, polls, quizzes, question and A sections can be used to encourage students' participation. Broad questions में what is social networking? Mention some major social networking tools. Choose any one tool and explain how it can be used effectively for the purpose of education. Social networking refers to the using internet-based platforms to connect with friends, family, colleagues, or people with similar interests. For example, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat. टेकिंग वन एग्जाम्पल वुड बी इंस्टाग्राम. जैसे कि वहाँ पे पोल्स हो सकते हैं, Q&A सेशंस हो सकते हैं, और शॉर्ट में मैसेजेस वीडियोस के थ्रू डिलीवर कर सकते हैं, एजुकेट कर सकते हैं. सिंस इट इज़ अट्रैक्टिव एंड कैटर्स टू अ लार्ज मास, बहुत जल्दी लोगों का अटेंशन भी पा सकते हैं. एज इट इज़ पॉपुलर अमंग टीनेजर्स, तो इसमें कोलैबोरेशन भी बहुत आराम से होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन is related to virtual laboratory and Sakshat portal. Virtual laboratory is also known as virtual lab. It can be accessed anywhere, remote locations या कहीं पे भी आराम से बहुत easily हर इंसान उसको it's like easily accessible, cost effective है. It provides a flexible learning environment जहाँ पे users experiments को repeat कर सकते हैं, manipulate कर सकते हैं अपने variables को, और different scenarios में उसको experiment कर सकते हैं. एंड अबाउट साक्षात पोर्टल, तो ये एक इनिशिएटिव है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा जो कि एम करती है प्रोवाइडिंग डिजिटल रिसोर्सेज एंड टूल्स फॉर एजुकेशन. इट इज़ अ प्लेटफॉर्म दैट ऑफर्स ई कंटेंट फॉर वेरियस एजुकेशनल लेवल्स इंक्लूडिंग स्कूल एजुकेशन, हायर एजुकेशन एंड वोकेशनल एजुकेशन. It aims to enhance access to quality educational resources, promote e-learning, and support teachers and students across the country. Education and promote online learning. This was launched by APJ Abdul Kalam in 2006. Technopedagogic skills refers to the combination of technological proficiency and pedagogical knowledge that educators need to effectively integrate technology into teaching and learning process. It involves using digital literacy, digital tools, software, hardware, how technology can be integrated in the curriculum, etc. Next question is related to what is message credibility. Message credibility refers to the degree to which a message is perceived as trustworthy, reliable, and believable by its intended audience. Third question is two advantages of virtual laboratory. It is free to use, can be used by anywhere, it is self-paced, it is cost-effective, and it is accessible in remote areas. Question is related to the full form. Next question is related to two disadvantages of distance learning. There is social isolation. Technology is not available in every places. No collaborative learning occurs. There is no immediate feedback. Next question is related to describe the steps of detecting and correcting the spelling mistakes in MS Word document. You can read it for yourself. Next question is related to the merits and demerits of spoken tutorials. Spoken tutorials are a form of educational content that is delivered in audio format. It is easily accessible to all. It is self-paced. It is flexible. People can repeat it lots of time to hear it. It is demerits are passive learning. Listening to spoken tutorials may encourage passive learning, reducing active engagement. No hands-on experience. Since the child is not active here, he's just listening like a passive listener. So it's not very good. There can be barrier of language, lack of understanding, limited interactivity. Child is not speaking. So it's one way only process where teacher is the controller. Two functions of MS Excel, that is sum. We can add out there, we can subtract, we can multiply. So there are different functions of MS Excel. Write a short note on any one of the following. So I will be choosing Wikipedia out here. So Wikipedia is a collaborative and multilingual online encyclopedia. You can get access to any sort of information in different sort of languages. It was launched in 2001 by Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger. It is available in multiple languages, as I said. Second one is Google Docs. Google Docs allows the user to create, edit, and store documents online, offering a seamless and collaborative experience. You can online edit documents. Very much popular. Mobile learning. You can use it anytime, anywhere. It is very easily accessible. It is very friendly because you can carry your mobile phone and easily to any place. Not only just you get to read the information or watch videos, but you can collaborate with other people online and do many tasks. You can practice. You can learn lot of new skills online, offline. Next question is related to the problems of integration of ICT in schools. Lack of infrastructure is there, no connectivity is there. बहुत बार एडुकेटर्स को उसको यूज़ करने का तरीका नहीं पता होता, और बहुत बार अगर ख़राब हो जाए तो राइट पर्सन उसको ठीक करने के लिए भी बहुत बार नहीं मिलता है हर जगह पे. सो व्हाट कैन बी द रेमेडीज? इन्वेस्टमेंट होना चाहिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे एज मच एज पॉसिबल. कंटिन्यूस प्रोफेशनल टीचर डेवलपमेंट कोर्सेज शुड बी ऑफर्ड बाय स्कूल और बाय एनी अदर इंस्टीट्यूट्स. गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज शुड बी सपोर्टिव. It should be integrated in the curriculum so that teachers learn it and students can also seamlessly learn hassle free. We can recognize and reward school teachers who demonstrate exemplary use of ICT. Workshops and seminars can be organized for parents to educate them about the digital literacy and ways to support their children's learning using technology. Discuss the effects of social networking on the society as well as present system of education. Social networking has both positive and negative effects, just like every other thing has. It has provided global connectivity and communication, making everything easier. Users can share news, ideas, and information rapidly, contributing to the dissemination of knowledge and awareness about various topics. So, effects can be positive as well as negative. Positive is it facilitates communication and connection with others, regardless of geographical barriers. It is easy for sharing information and ideas. And negative can contribute to addiction and excessive use, leading to decreased productivity and real life social interactions. It raises privacy concerns due to data collection and surveillance practices. Cyberbullying. Characteristics of MOOCs has already been discussed before, so I'm not repeating it again. So what are the two advantages of distance learning? It is flexible, it saves time, it can be used anywhere, it is self-paced, and there are multiple numerous advantages. You can choose anyone and write according to yourself. So this is it for today. Hope you like the video and just comment down below what you want to see next, and have a nice day. Thank you.